Hello everyone and welcome to episode 11 of 2 Minute English. Today we're learning more differences between British and American English. They speak the same language but they don't always use the same words. Let's look at some examples. The first one, queue and line. British people say we are waiting in a queue, whereas Americans say we are waiting in line. The second one, trainers and sneakers. British people say I bought new trainers yesterday, while Americans say I bought new sneakers yesterday. Film versus movie. British people say that film was really boring, while Americans say that movie was really boring. The next one, underground and subway. British people usually say I go to work by underground or tube, while Americans say I go to work by subway. The next one, shop and a store. British people usually say I bought this jacket in a clothes shop, while Americans say I bought this jacket in a clothing store. The next one, post versus mail. British people say please send it by post, while Americans say please send it by mail. So, British and American English use different words, but the meaning is the same. You don't need to learn both styles, but you should choose one and stay consistent. Do you prefer British or American English? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more 2 Minute English.